again. Hello,
Yo, hello.
how are doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay, and how is your practice is going on?
Yeah, I'm still going on because of I'm practicing now. I am improving. I am getting a lot because of I am I think 2.5 months practicing my English spoken English class, and before that and now it's before and now I am changed a lot my speaking and communication skills and fluency also because of lots of thing has been changed because of uh, my uh, communication and English speaking skills. So that I changed a lot and I admired a lot. So
In present time, are you reading any kind of books and any kind of newspaper?
no, I don't have much more time to read the newspapers and I am only practicing in my institute itself when I get a time.
Okay, you practice in your institute.
Yeah, only
Okay,
only per day. It will be taking time. I think half an hour or 1 hour I am daily practicing because of as you know very well Arpita ma'am institute regarding about how the conversations sound, how the group discussions will be going on.
okay, and uh, do you practice? Do you self practice? Um, um, in front of sometimes in front of camera, in front of mirror, any kind of things do you adopt?
Yeah, I didn't play those things because of as of now I am staying in some other areas, so that's why I have no time to because of I'm aspiring like a monster developer and some when I get a time means I am learning different kind of skills nowadays I am, so that's why I it is not possible for me to in front of the mirror to playing some conversations. It is not possible for me, and it will be taking time. And now I am practicing in institute itself, so that's why.
Okay, and which kind of institute did you join?
Yeah, I joined Arpita Ma'am Institute, and as you know well,
Oh, ma'am.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. She teach online or offline?
She teaches online, and she is, I think, 1 month, 8 classes she will be taking, and she will be correcting our vocabulary. And when people are getting stuck, at the times she will be motivated, and when people are doing repeated kind of things and repeated kind of words she will be correcting us and she will be guiding us.
Okay. Actually, I forgot how did you celebrate your Diwali and how was
Yeah,
your Diwali yesterday?
yeah, I think I didn't celebrate my 2022 Diwali. Present now I am uh, I'm staying in another town, so that's why it is not possible to
Oh,
celebrate. And 2021 I celebrated a lot because of I turned 25 years old October 2021. So that's why I enjoyed a lot 2021. Present now I am celebrating, but as in my home itself we are decorated like flower pots and we are doing lamps and as you know very well lamp and different kind of things we are different kind of sweets we are making deliberately.
yes. Okay. Actually, mm, this time you couldn't celebrate your Diwali. Yeah,
Yeah,
because
because of
of you out from your house.
yeah, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
staying in another town, so that's why it is not for. In our street also very, I think small street, so it could be not happened. Whole in this street itself, all over area only living in NGOs and employees itself. So that's why it is not possible for me.
Okay. And could you please tell me, and I very curious to know in your side, how do I celebrate Diwali and what is
Yeah,
the reason behind of celebrating Diwali?
yeah.
Please, me,
Yeah,
please tell me.
I will ask you, and you also ask me. I'm asking like a different kind of questions today. I prepared a lot because of what is Diwali?
What is Diwali?
Yeah, what is Diwali?
Diwali. Diwali, as you know, Diwali is also known as Deepavali. It is a second name. Deepavali. Deepavali, which means the row of diyas. Yes, Deepavali. So the which means the row of diyas. And as you also know, it is celebrated as a mark of the victory of Lord Rama of devil Ravan. Yes, and his return, his his come back to Ayodhya. Yeah, that's why we celebrate Diwali, and we celebrate as well as we worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha.
Yeah.
And during this festival, people's people's people sorry, no people's people makes the rangoli in front of the home, in front of the house.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and um, all all family members exchange the gift with friends and colleagues and relatives.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's all. And tell me, I want to ask you, please add some points.
Yeah, what is Diwali? In my opinion, Diwali is a like as you said previously. I agree in your opinion. And Diwali is the victory of the Lord Rama and devil of Ravana. Not a devil. He is also one of the goddess. We can worship a lot. Ravan also worshipped his the goddess because of in the war itself we are changing, we are thinking like a devil, and we don't want to think a devil itself because of he also like Ravan and Rama has played a lot because of Ravan can be created different kind of novels, and as you know different history itself everything has been implemented their unique way. Ravan, and he's the Ravan is the devotee of the Lord Shiva. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
yeah, devotee of Lord Shiva, and Raman itself or he has played a different kind of roles, and we don't want to take a devil, and it is like one type of war will be there, so that's why we don't want to assume and don't want to regret it to devil itself. So, and we worship a lot because of we know how the Diwali has been celebrated, and different kind of decorations we are like flower pots and different lamps, and we enjoying a lot with a colorful nature and happiness and joyness in the Diwali itself. We are making sweets, wearing new clothes itself, and it is when like everything has you said previously, like we are worshipping and Lord Ganesha and Lord Lakshmi. It is like we are celebrating like Ayudha Puja. We are making in south part people are called as the Ayudha Puja. puja, Lakshmi Puja. You people called as North people called as Lakshmi Puja, and we people called as
Yes, yes.
uh, Ayuda Puja, and we celebrated celebrated a lot and decorated decorated bikes and cars and electronic gadgets itself, and everything everything looks like a very colorful and very different kind of sweets we are making. We are uh, different kind of things we are doing at the Diwali itself, and we busted a different kind of stuffs will be different kind of crackers, and we are bust at the Diwali moment, and yeah, as you know very well, because shots and a racket and bombs and flower pots, different kind of
Okay.
stuff will be different kind of stuffs are there in crackers itself. We fire we have to take safety first. After then we can fire the fire or burst the crackers. We without safety we cannot go, and we don't know how the crackers will be bursting and or not. And as we know very well, it is like when we fire the when we fire the crackers at the times we don't know how it will be bursting or not, and sometimes it will be happens very collapsed at the times. So we take care ourselves, and take safety first. After then we can we fire the crack.
Yeah. And how do you celebrate Diwali? And do you burn in kind of firecracker?
Yeah, because of as I mentioned previously, and we people also celebrated it deliberately because of we are in South, so it is I think it is uh, eh, and we are living together with our family mates, and
Yes, yes.
a lot of our relationships relation also came in front of our home and visited at the times lots of things has been, and we also shared different kind of things with knowledge, and different kind of cultures also will be shared, different kind of thoughts sharing in our family mates. And
That's great. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
I also find the crackers, and I bought the crackers.
Okay. Yeah. That's great. Amazing. And you are exactly right. And
Yeah,
you spoke, very good.
yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you describing this topic.
yeah.
Okay. That's all for today. And
Okay,
yeah. I hope this video, I hope this session would be helpful to you, and this session would be helpful to me.
yeah, absolutely.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for
Thank
giving your precious time.
Yeah, thank you
We,
for giving me
uh,
this opportunity,
we,
because of we has it is important important we need our practice
yes,
uh,
yes.
yeah, more and more, because of when we spoke in different kind of people at the times we also improving a lot.
We will meet next time
Okay,
with a new topic and a new session.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. Take care, stay safe.